오, 좋아. Hello, good morning folks. Now it's 10 a.m. and it's so hot and bright out there. I'm already sweating. So I still have this, thick coat to protect myself from the sun. I'm gonna visit to this pottery village, which is located about 5 kilometers away from Luang Prabang. So I'm gonna take my brother's motorbike and take the ferry across to the other side and take from there. I was in this village before the pandemic, and it was very interesting, how villagers make all the pottery from the scratch. It's actually one of the main attractions here in Luang Prabang. So if you come to Luang Prabang, this is one of the things that you should consider visiting. I'm not sure how it is now. Before the pandemic, of course, there were many tourists, but now I'm not sure if they even reopen it already or not. I'll check that out. Look at this, guys. I made it here. All these different sizes and shapes. So this is just another family doing the pottery. So they send these products to many stores in town. Later on we're gonna visit the main center where they have the workshop.
Lồng xi các cháu nên là các cháu ห็นเล่าให้เรามันจึงบ่ซึม
อ๋อคือเราต้องไปตากก่อนแม่นบ่ทาซี่เราตากก่อนติ
ปะไว้จังซี่มันจะแห้งลง
หน่วยน้อยซัมเนในค่ายเท่าไหร่เอ่ย
หน่วย 10,000
หน่วย10,000โอ้ก็บ่ได้แพงเนาะ
จะแม่นนะ
So these jars are for rice whiskey. Mainly Khmer people use this for their whiskey. Anh hết thôi đâu mà anh bảo.
Này phần này đẹp đẹp này. Được một bài này vậy.
Chị mua thì nó dần
Xin mừng ăn.
Không là sẽ đi.
This is where the smoke comes out. So the fire was there, down there. And this is where all these... Oh wow! Oh, so hot. Look. Look at all these fireworks. It's a big job. This is where they bake the pots. Very light. And these are lamps. That's right. Yeah. So the story of this village dates back 400 years ago when the first king of Laos, called King Phang ruled the country. So in order to celebrate his victory from the battle, he requested people from different villages bring different things to the table for the celebration, which he requested people from this village to bring the pottery, and that's how everything began. And since then, this village has been doing the pottery up until now, and today is one of the main attractions in Luang Prabang. For tourists who come here in Luang Prabang, this is one of the things that you should consider visit. It's amazing to see how, you know, the story and how people made all these beautiful potteries by hand, you know. It's fascinating. They also have the gallery and the shop where they sell all these homemade potteries and souvenirs, and the price is quite affordable. So if you come to Luang Prabang, please consider coming here. It's not far. You can come here either by bicycle, by motorbike, or by boat. If you have the guide, it would be even better because he can give you all the information and how the village doing all their creativities.